sometimes people are in situations where they're dating somebody, and that person, you dating somebody and they die. You may have invested your money in their home. You may have helped them remodel, furnish it and everything. But because you're just dating them, when they pass, you have no legal, unless y'all have paperwork that says something happened to them, you get to stay in the house. The family can make you move out the day they die.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Hey, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, April the 11th. So, hey, y'all, what it do? This is me. Is that you? Be you, y'all. Be you. So, yesterday, the weather was crazy. Yesterday morning when I left, it was storming. And then about 11 o'clock, the weather got so nice. And, you know, it's just like sometimes in life, we go through things and the storm is there, and we just go through, and then at the end of the storm, sunshine again. That's how life is. Oh, y'all, yesterday morning, I got a call from one of our church members passed, and he was one that always get up and give his testimony. Rare say he would call and send them texts, spiritual texts, you know. It's so windy. All day long, every day. And Rev had us laughing one time because he said the guy told me he wanted to preach. It was so funny. But anyway, yeah, y'all, life is so precious and so short. And when I say short, I mean that in a twinkling of an eye, you can be gone. Just, you know, and just when people die, it just made me reflect on my life and the things I need to be doing to prepare. You know, like, this is for anybody that's renting. You know, if you're renting a place and you die, you the head of that household, and you pass, well, somebody got to come in there and remove all those items that you have in that house because you're renting. That's not yours. If you're buying, as long as somebody paying that mortgage, you can leave things just like they are. Like when my mother passed, my mother's house been paid for 30, as long as my dad been dead. You know, back in the day, they had this insurance that when they purchased the home, that if one of them passed, the mortgage is paid. So once my dad died, the house is paid for. Yeah, so I don't think they offer that now. And so now what people have to do is have a life insurance policy that's enough to pay the house off, or you be, you know, financially solvent so you can pay, you know, the mortgage to keep it or whatever. It's just a lot, y'all. It's a lot. And sometimes people don't know what to do. Sometimes people are in situations where they're dating somebody, and that person, you dating somebody and they die. You may have invested your money in their home. You may have helped them remodel, furnish it and everything. But because you're just dating them, when they pass, you have no legal, unless y'all have paperwork that says something happened to them, you get to stay in the house. The family can make you move out the day they die or the day they get sick. So, you know, in life, you have to really get your things in order. And I often think about that. And that's something that we have to consider when we're making decisions about our life. Yeah. It's supposed to be pretty today. Well, no rain. I think we got clouds this morning, but it's going to be sunny later on. Yeah, so it's Thursday. It's Friday Eve. I've been trying to get things situated. Spring cleaning, haven't gotten there yet. Last weekend I had a funeral and a baby shower, and then Sunday I had church. And just, for me, when I'm doing spring cleaning, are y'all like that? When I'm spring cleaning, I got to have at least 3 days where I don't have anything on the agenda. I can just stay home and do what I have to do. Because once I stop working on something and get distracted, it's hard for me to get my momentum back. Yeah, but I realize that I'm a semi-hoarder, so I need to get rid of some things. so many clothes. I'm not gonna run this light. I'm not. It's gonna turn red before I get through it. Yeah. So many things to unpack and giveaways, sale, or whatever. Yeah. Right now I think that I'm going to shut down selling, so I'm just gonna do like I'm gonna take everything and put them in lots and sell it that way. Yeah. At one time I thought about just doing a thing where I could let somebody else sell it. I thought about doing it as well. Anyway, I don't want to ramble too much, but I will do another autism thing today, this evening or whatever, and then I will share it sometime this week. You know, it wasn't in my best interest to say I would do it. I don't get enough viewers anyway, so only about 20 people heard me say it. But like I said, I have a career. This is like a ministry for me. I come on and share things in hopes of helping somebody. And, you know, everything is in God's timing with me. I know that. But I still have to put forth the effort, right? So, all right, y'all. Another thing I want to tell y'all about is applying for federal jobs. Y'all, I have applied for over 100 federal jobs. I have been referred. I have interviewed. But a girl told me, she said, you know, sometimes they do it as a formality. They already know who they're going to hire. And, you know, I just feel like anything that happened to me, I used to be like, Lord, why me? And then I'm like, okay, God, I know you protected me. You know what I'm saying? So we got to quit that woe is me mentality and know that sometimes that's God's protection when the answer is no. No, sometimes it's God's protection. And I'm okay with that because He's my provider, right? And so I know that irregardless of what happened, God's got me. And so many, that's the message I want to leave today with you. God's got you. God's got you no matter what you're going through, whether it's sickness. So many people I know have cancer. I know a lot of people with cancer. I know a lot of people have a lot of things going on with their finances and their marriage and their relationships. But God's got you. He's got you. And you have to know that when you're going through something like that, a lot of time it's God trying to get you closer to Him. Remember that. He's got you. No matter what you go through, no matter what's going on in your life, God's got you. Okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Happy Saturday before Easter, y'all. So I went to Sam's and I went to the Brookshire store. But I got this Febreze. It was $7.98 for the 4 of them. And so I got these for my restrooms. Possibly take some to work too. I got these Clorox, the bleach kind. It was 6 tablets for $10.98. I think that's a good deal. I got me some more Downy. I just prefer to get this professional strength because it doesn't take but a little bit. I love this with bleach in the water, and that's why my hands look old, y'all, because I put bleach in my water. I got the quart freezer bags, and I got the gallon. I think this was $13 something. This was $14, but that minute, I mean, you get 216 quart, 152 gallons. So when I get these last me for months. So I just rather get these and get the other kind. You know, go to the dollar. I used to go to the dollar store and pick them up, and they don't last long. Also, I got some chopped garlic, but I also got fresh garlic. I'm making cornbread dressing with my ham. Tradition, that's what my mom used to do. I needed some more French's mustard. I needed some more Tony's. I got my 3 pounds of yellow onion. I got me a cosmic apple, just one for a snack for today. Here's my celery. Got some more bell pepper. I bought 1 thing of garlic because really I like fresh garlic in my dressing, but I've started using the other garlic for everything else. Like because I used to like fresh garlic in my dressings. I'm sorry, in my gravies, but it's not much different. I got the green onion. Last time I got the green onion, they were 2 for $1. Now they're $1 each. They had these Del Monte pineapples. They had them 97 cents. I got 2 things of the chunks because I'm going to do meatballs today. And what I'm doing? No, I may not do meatballs. Well, when I do my meatballs, I'm going to put these in there. And then I had, crushed I got 2 things of chunks to 1 quarter. I thought I had gotten slices, but I bought slices the other day to go on my ham. I got this cilantro lime because I love making the chipotle bowls, and this just makes the flavor of your rice and everything good. And I got these, this cotton candy to go in my Easter basket. Y'all still make y'all grown children Easter baskets? I do. Well, my son. Anyway, that's all I have. I spent maybe today. I spent. I don't remember. But anyway, so that's what I have. I hadn't been on here showing y'all what I bought in a long time. But I really had to. Y'all listen, let me tell y'all what happened. Y'all know I was talking about decluttering and everything. And sometimes the things that we say we want to do, the Lord just pull us right into what we speak. Because guess what? My big freezer went out. Yes. So I had to, I didn't lose anything. Well, I had some things like, I think I had a few bags of vegetables and stuff I had to throw out, but none of my meat, I was able to keep all of my meat. Only thing I do have now, I have a package of crawfish tails that are thawed, and they've been thawed for a few days, so I don't know if it's safe to eat those. They've been in the refrigerator and they don't smell, so I don't know. But I started to just, I didn't get any rice. But I started to just make like a little crawfish, something, etouffee or whatever, because I think I do have a little pack in there. But anyway, yeah, so my freezer went out. I've been looking, and I don't think I'm going to invest into another big one like that. That one was like $800. It was stainless steel. But I don't think I'm going to get another one like that until I actually purchase my home. Because I don't want to be moving that type of stuff and it get damaged. So, yeah. Other than moving it, like cleaning it behind it, I don't want to buy stuff like that to have to move. You know? But anyway, y'all have a happy Easter. Happy Resurrection Sunday. Be blessed, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.